All right, so back to question number 3. I've already plotted my original points. Again, as a reminder, we're going to start with that inside one. So we're going to go 10 to the left and 1 down. So I'm going to do that for each one of these points. And all I really have to do is I can subtract 10 from each of these. So if I have the point 9, -3, I'm going to subtract 10, which is going to be -1, comma, and then -3 minus 1, which would be -4. Okay, and then 6 minus 10 would be -4. And then -7 minus 1 would be -8. 3 minus 10 is going to be -7. -3 minus 1 is -4. And 5 minus 10 is -5. And -1 minus 1 is -2. So I can plot those lovely points. So D is at -1, -4, or D prime I should say. E prime is at -4, -8. F prime is at -7, -4. I'm sorry, that would be F prime, not E prime. And then G prime would be at -5, -2. Okay. Now we're going to rotate it 180 degrees. Our rule for 180 degrees is just that the signs flip for each the X and the Y. So we'll do this in green. So this would be +1, +4, +4, +8, +7, +4, +5, +2. And again, we know 180 would flip 2 boxes. So 1, 4, 4, 8. So this is D double prime. 4, 8 would be E double prime. 7, 4 would be F double prime, and G would be 5, 2. So G double prime. Okay. And one last thing, we're going to reflect it over the line X equals 2. So X equals 2 is right here. Okay. So again, I'm going to go 1 jump, 1 jump. So D triple prime would be at 3, 4. We're going to do E, which is 1, 2, so we're going to go 1, 2 over, which is going to be the point 0, 8 for E triple prime. Okay. And then F, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be -3, 4. And G is 1, 2, 3 away, so 1, 2, 3 away, which will be -1, 2. Okay. And we could connect those points if we wanted to. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. All right, moving right along here. Ooh, I didn't plot these points. My apologies. Move this out of our way for a second here. Okay. So if we plot our first points here, we're going to have -3, 5 for M. We're going to have -4, 0 for A, and we're going to have -8, -1 for T. Okay. So we're going to reflect it over the line Y equals -2. So Y equals -2 is here. So I'm going to go down 1 from each side here. So my T prime is going to be -8, -3. My A is going to go 1, 2, 1, 2 is going to be at -4, -4. And our M is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's going to be -3, -9. Okay. So that is where all of our lovely points are going to go here. Go ahead and erase those. Whoops, I just want to do this one. Okay, never mind, I won't be able to erase my jumps. Okay, now we're going to do something similar. We're going to go ahead and jump over our y-axis. First, I'm going to label this as T prime, A prime, and M prime. Okay, try and do this with my other pen so that we can't see it. So we're going to go over the y-axis, so 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So we'll do that as our T double prime. And then A is 1, 2, 3, 4 away. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be A double prime. So I could write these as I go. So this would be -8, 3. This is going to be negative 4 comma 4. And m, we know all that's going to do is go ahead and change the sign of my y, so I don't have to count so far. So negative 3 comma 9 will be way up here for m double prime. Oops, let's draw a straight line here. Okay. Last thing we're going to do is rotate it 90 degrees. We're going to say clockwise this time. Okay. So 90 degrees clockwise. Again, I'm sorry, we want 90 degrees counterclockwise. We're going this direction. No, that is clockwise. Man alive, my brain hurts today. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're going to, again, switch the x and y and change the sign of the new y. So this is going to be 9, positive 3. This will be 4, 4. And this one's going to be 3, 8. So we're going to have 9, 3, 4, 4. And 3, 8. Okay, so that's going to be m triple prime, a triple prime, t triple prime. Okay, we'll talk more about this when I get back. Have a great day. Bye.